Hi, I'm Ryan, and welcome to Intro to Using Google Sheets. Google Sheets is the spreadsheet tool within the Google Workspace suite of applications. It's web-based, which means you can access it from any device through your internet browser. No need to install anything. In this video, we'll walk through how to confidently navigate the Google Sheets interface, how to identify and define key features and functions, and apply basic formulas and use name conventions to keep your files organized. What are the benefits of using Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a powerful tool for many reasons. It allows you to organize and analyze data efficiently, to track important information, to make data-driven decisions, and to collaborate easily with others. You can also automate calculations to save time. Let's begin by opening a new spreadsheet. Open your web browser, go to sheets.google.com, click the plus new button, choose blank spreadsheet. Now that we're in a new spreadsheet, let's get familiar with the layout and learn where to find the tools and features we'll be using. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the spreadsheet title bar. By default, new documents are titled Untitled Spreadsheet until you rename them. This bar also allows you to mark the document as a favorite, to view the folder where the file is stored, and to see the save status of your file. It's important to use naming conventions when titling your spreadsheets. A good naming convention makes your files easy to find and understand. Here are a few tips. Use clear, descriptive names. Include dates if relevant. Avoid special characters. And use underscores instead of spaces. Here's an example to show you what that looks like in practice. Just below the title bar is the toolbar menu, which includes File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Each menu contains different sets of tools. Let's take a closer look. The File menu lets you create a new document, open an existing one, make a copy, share, rename, move, or delete your document. In the Edit menu, you'll find options to undo or redo actions, cut, copy, and paste content. Many of these options also appear in the Shortcut toolbar, which we'll look at next. Use the Insert menu when you want to add something to your spreadsheet. You can add rows or columns, insert images, add new sheets, and insert functions. Scroll through this menu to explore all available insert options. The Format menu helps you control how your cells and data look. You can format numbers, change text appearance to emphasize data, and align content within cells. The Data menu is used to organize information. Here, you can sort data or create filters to display only what you need. Below the toolbar menu, you'll find the Shortcut toolbar. This toolbar includes buttons for common formatting tools, like font size, text alignment, text color. It's a quick way to access features also found in the menus above. If your screen is small, some toolbar items may be hidden. Click the 3 vertical dots, also called the More menu, to reveal additional tools. Below the Shortcut toolbar, you'll see the name box and formula bar. The name box shows the cell or range you've selected. The formula bar lets you enter, view, or edit data, formulas, and functions for a selected cell. The main area of the screen is the grid, where you'll enter and format data. The grid is made up of columns labeled with letters that run from top to bottom, and rows labeled with numbers that go from left to right. You can click a column or row header to select the whole thing. You can drag the edges to resize or right-click for more options. Each square in the grid is called a cell. It's where your data lives. A cell is identified by its column and row, like B2, column B, row 2. Cells can hold text, numbers, formulas. Click once to select a cell, or double-click to edit it. At the bottom left, you'll find Sheets tabs. Each Google Sheets file can contain multiple sheets. Click the plus to add a new sheet. Right-click a tab to rename it. To enter data, you can also click a cell and just start typing. Press Enter to move down, press Tab to move right, or use your arrow keys for navigation. You can use Control-C to copy and Control+V to paste. When working with groups of cells, click and drag to select a range. Hold Shift and click to select a block, or hold Control and click to select non-adjacent cells. Use the fill handle, your cursor becomes a small plus, to drag and autofill cells. Now, let's move on to using formulas in Google Sheets. All formulas must begin with an equal sign. This tells Sheets that you're entering a calculation. Formulas can perform basic math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here are two common formulas. Sum plus the range adds up a range of cells. Average plus the range finds the average of a range. You'll see any active formula in the formula bar. To keep your spreadsheet clean and effective, remember to keep your data organized. Use consistent formatting. Document your formulas and regularly back up your files. Stick to naming conventions. Remember, Google Sheets is built for collaboration, so don't be afraid to share what you've created with a colleague or a friend. Ask for feedback or even build something together. It's a great way to learn more and get inspired. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get comfortable. Learning a new tool takes time. Keep exploring, and remember, Google Sheets saves automatically, so you can always undo and try again. You've got this.